If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome to lecture 35 of this series. So today we are implementing that percentage bias differential protection scheme. For that, let us take a delta star. Primary side I have taken delta and secondary type I have taken star. So let the turn ratio be n:1. Now why we are doing this? We want to, because in star star or delta delta there is no phase shift. So whatever we connect your city, there is no problem. You can connect both the cities, this side cities, and you have two side cities. Cities are here. These are known as primary sided city I am saying. These I am mentioning secondary sided cities. Secondary cities, these are primary cities. In these cities also you have primary secondary. In this city also you have primary secondary. So how your city should be connected? These cities, these two cities, they can be connected in star, they can be connected in delta, they can be connected in star, they can be connected in delta. How they should be connected, that's what we are seeing. So if it is a star star or delta delta connection, you can keep your city also star star delta delta, there is no issue. But the problem will occur when there is a shift in line currents. You have seen, if in case of delta star connection there is a shift. So if I see here, the normally this side is delta, so the current is here. I have considered this current as IA dash, and this phase current I have considered capital IA, IB and IC. So what will be this current? As per the normal standard convention I have taken A, B, C. You can see that delta. So this is AC terminal, that was I have considered A. So this current will be IA minus IC. So correspondingly this phase is getting IA current. So obviously this value is get N into IA. Here the ratio is N. Okay, and this is the branch current I am saying, small IA, secondary side. So what will be my secondary side current? This small I is equal to NIA. This small I will be equal to NIA. Now what is NIA? If I want to make it with respect to IA dash, because the CT will be measuring that, sensing that IA dash current only. So that's why what is IA dash? IA dash is, because now you can see this is your line current, this is your phase current. So if you are converting from line to phase, what I have told you, a factor 1/√3 it will come because it is reduced. And in case of voltage it leads by 30 degree. Sorry, in case of voltage you are converting from line to phase. In case of voltage, if you convert from line to phase, the standard is lagging 30 degree, because in case of voltage, line voltage leads phase voltage. So if you are coming back to phase, that means you are lagging. So in case of current it will be leading, so it is plus 30 degree. So now you can see what are the current they are sensing. Here it is sensing IA dash, and here it is sensing this much of IA dash with a shift of angle 30 degree. Now there are different cases. How we will connect these cities? These are the cases. Now cases I am talking about, how these cities should be connected. Cities should be connected. One thing you should be very clear of, if I am talking about this city, how this city is connected. There are three lines. So this is okay. Now what is the primary of these cities? Primaries are these lines. So how will you think that this primary are connected? This primary you think that they are connected in star, simple star. One line is going, one line is going, one line is going, and what is happening outside this, you don't think about this. It can be connected star, it can be whatever it is. But for these cities, the primaries are this. So you have no control on the primary, because the line current it will obviously take. So you can take this, you should take this, that is primary is always connected in star, because three lines are there. Star is three lines, simple as it is. There is no interconnection, and the sum of all three currents will be always 0, because it should be always balanced, you can think of. So what I have considered. So what is the problem? Problem is here how this secondary side of CT is connected. These are the two terminals A1, A2, B1, B2 and C1, C2. So these secondary sides of CT, from here also, from here also, secondary winding of CT. This is primary sided CT. This is secondary sided CT. Here also you will have secondary winding of CT. Here also you will have secondary winding of CT. How these are connected? This can be connected here star. Here also it can be connected star. Here it can be connected star. Here it can be connected delta. Here it can be connected delta. Here it can be connected star. Here it can be connected delta. Here it can be connected delta. So there are four possibilities are there. So we are seeing which possibility is feasible for us. Then we will make a conclusion how we will proceed. Now if I consider case A, that is both sides cities are connected in star, primary sided city. These are primary cities, means not primary winding of city. I am saying primary sided city, means cities that are in this side, and cities that are in that side are secondary side cities. and in CT you will have primary winding and secondary winding. You be very careful about. So I have considered both sides, it is connected star. Here also the secondaries are connected in star, here also the secondary. I have not connected here. Connection we will make after we observe all the cases. Which one will be satisfactory, that connection we will make. So if I take now this one, primary sided CT I am calculating here, and secondary sided CT I am calculating here. From both these sides, the secondary current that is coming, it should be matching. That's my idea for differential protection. Now what is the primary winding current of primary sided CT? Primary winding current of primary sided CT. This is my primary sided CT. What is the primary winding current? IA dash. It will be sensing IA dash. And what is the primary of the secondary sided current? Primary winding current of the secondary sided CT. Your secondary sided CT, this side is measuring IA current, small IA. Think these two. So this primary winding current of primary sided CT is IA dash. So what will be the corresponding secondary current here, this side? I am talking about this side. That's why I am segregated. This side, primary side. So what is the secondary current? Let the ratio here is NCT primary, and secondary side CT ratio I have taken, NCT secondary. Here I have written. These CTs are having this ratio, and here these CTs are having these ratios. So if the current is IA dash and your CT ratio is NCTP, then your secondary side current will be this much. That's okay. Now here what is the current that is primary winding of the secondary side CT is sensing? It is very small IA, and small IA I have seen small IA is 0.577, this one. So that divided by NCTS, so you will see this current. So both the CT secondary you are getting these two currents. So these two currents should match. So here it is not equal. So obviously your relay will trip. That is your differential protection relay will trip. Even if we make the magnitude, suppose you take NCTP in such a way, NCTH in such a way, so that these magnitudes and here this magnitude 1 by NCTP and these are equal, but there will be always a phase shift of 30 degree. One current will be this way, one current will be this way. So there will be always a difference, and the difference is this one. So there will be always a spill current that will be flowing through your differential protection. So even if the magnitudes are equal, by selecting proper these two, there will be always a phase angle difference, hence relay will always trip. So you cannot make relay sustainable. So these will not work out this connection. That means I cannot make star-star. Both sides I cannot make star-star connection. Now if I same you can think of, if it is in delta-delta, then also it will be same, because I have not done the full calculation. I have just written the last line. What will be the secondary current of this side CT? I am segregated again. This side is primary side, this side is secondary side. So it was sensing IA dash. Okay. So CT was sensing IA dash. I told you the CT is primary I will consider in star. Secondary you have connected in delta. So because they are connected in delta, so from star to they are coming delta. That is from phase you can think to coming to line. So phase to line, it will be a lagging of minus 30 degree. Here also this side also this is sensing this current, small IA current, and because you have connected the secondary in delta fashion, I will show you how you will connect it. Let me, for timing you keep it as it is. So this side secondary is also connected delta, so again there will be minus 30 degree. So it was 30 degree initially, then minus 30 0, and it was 0 IA dash 0, so a minus 30 is, so ultimately there is a 30 degree shift, you can see here. Okay, now again if I take the primary delta, now secondary star, so now the angle difference will be 60. Then you will see for delta it was IA dash measuring, so it was measuring IA dash. Okay, but IA dash is the, you can think it is primary current, that is your phase current, you can think, because it is connected. I've told you the primary side of CT you always consider it is connected in star. So because your secondary now you are connected in delta, so there will be a minus 30 degree shift. So that's why minus 30 degree here. And that side, because it is your CT are connected in this way, your primary side I told you always consider at star. Secondary is also star, so there is no angle. So it was already 30 degree. You will see that side was already 30 degree angle. I was already 30 degree having, so that 30 degree will remain here. So here the shift will be of 60 degree, you can see. So what is the solution? The fourth case I am considering that the primary side I am connecting star, secondary side I am connecting delta. Okay, now hoto then what will be the case? So if we consider primary side it is sensing this much current. Because it is connected star, so there will be no shift, because your primary of the city I have considered as star connection, and secondary you are also connected in star, these cities secondary winding, so there will be no shift. Here there is a already there was a 30 degree shift in the primary winding current, because it was sensing these three current, which are already having 30 degree phase shift, and your secondary now is connected in delta. So from star to you are going to a delta connection now. Its secondary is connected in delta in this fashion. You will see how these are connected. So in this fashion they are connected. So there will be a shift of 30 degree, which will make it a minus 30 degree shift, and along with a factor of 1.732 root 3, because it is coming from star to delta. So ultimately it will be plus 30 minus 30 cancel, plus 30 minus 30 cancel, and then 0.57 1.732 will also cancel this, because this is root 3 and 1 by root 3. So ultimately again there is a difference, so the relay will trip, but this difference you can make them equal. How you can make them equal? By proper selection of NCTP and NCTS, because there is no phase shift. Okay, so as there is no phase shift, however this can be made equal by choice. So how we will make? Here what is the coefficient connect? This is 1 by NCTPS, and here it is n by NCTS. So if these both two are equal, then it is I dash and I dash. So if these two should be equal, so one option you may think that NCTP is 1, I keep it 1, then NCTS will be n. If it is 1, then you can calculate. If it is 1, then it is 1, and then it is n if you take that side. One can think, no sir, I will make this one 1, so this one will be 1 by n. But both these options are not feasible. Why? Because if you are saying NCTP is 1, that means what was the ratio in the primary side CT? 1 is to NCTP. So NCTP is 1, that is 1 is to 1. So can CT be 1 is to 1? No. What is the purpose of CT? To reduce the current. If it is 1 is to 1, that means the same. You can see what is the ratio. NCTP is to 1. If you are considering NCTP itself 1, then the ratio is 1 is to 1. If you are considering NCTS as 1, then it is 1 is to 1. So 1 is to 1 CT, no, it is not making any sense, because we want to reduce the CT current. We want to take the lower value, because hundreds of kiloampere will be flowing, 100, 300, 500 kiloampere. That much current will harm your protection scheme. We want to reduce it. So it is not feasible. Practically it is not feasible to having 1 is to 1. So obviously this will not be 1. We have to choose other value. Suppose this is 100, then you have to think what will be the that value. So what is the final conclusion? Final conclusion is that if your original transformer is of this fashion, delta to star, then this side CT should be connected in star, and this side CT should be connected in delta. Just reverse of that one. You think this one. This is the final conclusion. One more time I am writing. Suppose your transformer is delta star, then CT here should be connected in delta, CT this side should be connected in star. Suppose it is delta star, then reverse. CT will be here connected in star, here CT will be connected in delta. Suppose it is a star star, then it doesn't make sense. CT you can connect here star, CT you can connect here star, there is no issue. Suppose your transformer is delta delta, so CT you can connect in delta, here also CT you can connect in delta, or both side you can make star, there is no issue. These two there is no problem, you can keep both side equal, same. Whatever you are taking this side CT connection, that side should be same. That's it. But here there is a catch in these two type. In case of star delta, this side CT will be reverse of what it is connected. If it is delta star, then it will be star delta. Why these are done? These are done to nullify that angle shift, 30 degree shift. Still now we have not connected these cities. We have just told you that case 4 will satisfy. You can see these cities secondary are still hanging in the air. We have not connected. All these sides are where it will be connected. This 6 terminal, these I have not connected. Now we have concluded that we will connect it in which way? At this side we will connect in star, these cities, and these cities we will connect it in delta. That we will see in next class how these connections are physically made. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.